Hi, I'm Janet Bernstein, owner of the Organizing Professionals. Did you know that moving is one of life's most stressful events? That's where we come in. We are Greater Philadelphia's largest team of professional organizers and white glove move managers. The process begins with our complimentary consultation where you meet with one of our lead organizers to discuss your upcoming move. From there, our services are a la carte. Pick and choose from as much or as little help as you need. We provide decluttering services where you work with one of our organizers to decide what to take to your new home, what can be donated, consigned, or discarded. Our team of expertly trained professional packers ensure all your belongings are carefully packed, clearly labeled, and ready for the movers to take to your new home. As part of our commitment to the environment, we rent out gently used boxes and packing paper. On moving day, we are on site acting as the liaison between you and your mover. We direct and supervise your movers so all your belongings are placed in the precise location of your choice. We then unpack and organize your new home with your personal needs and function in mind, creating systems that are aesthetically pleasing and easy to maintain. We understand the peace of mind that comes from moving into a beautifully organized home. We ensure all boxes are removed, lamps and electronics are hooked up, and beds are made. We've been making moves easier for hundreds of clients since 2007. The Organizing Professionals, transforming lives through our passion for organization.